Yo, what's good, guys? Just took an entry on GJ. It's 10 in the morning. If we just take a look at the 4 hour here for a second. If you can notice the fine details, we have here daily level of resistance here, so we have rejected it. We've broken close below this level of structure here on the H4. As you can see, we've seen this candle here push the wick and it's still close below. Right here, this candle. Right, so as we're seeing that, we move down to the smaller time frames, and as you can see, we pull that off here from the top. Nice rejections, got a nice fake out candle and retest here off this level. So now took an entry off this. This looks like we can bleed all the way down to here. Maybe we bleed to here, but for the risk to reward of 3.4. Okay, now we've just tight stops just above the previous high here. And also what price is starting to do, I know it's not perfect, but we've got a mini sort of channel, and usually these tend to break to the downside. But why am I looking for shorts? I've already explained on the H4 why I'm looking for shorts, but I'm also looking for shorts because, as you can see, we've maintained bullish structure throughout here. After hitting this daily resistance, you see these lows that were formed here. We broke the lows, we came up, pulled out our fibs, and we pushed. But remember, we took our analysis off the H4. That is what's always important. Taking our analysis solely off the 15-minute won't do us good in the long run. So this is my analysis for entry. Hopefully we've been in a bad little run so far on the start of the account, but we're looking for a nice win to give us confidence for the remainder of the week. Right, so there's going to be 2 trade entries in this video. Well, actually no, there's going to be a result of the last trade that I'd taken, which was here, which I took an L. I did take an L, but I did say to myself I was going to re-enter if we came up and rejected this level here, which was potentially the right shoulder. We had this break of structure, so we were looking for shorts. The 764 aligning with this left shoulder here, so we were looking for entry. So this is a re-entry, so we took an L there. We're now re-entering here for a 5 risk to reward if we can target down here these lows. So the analysis is pretty much the same as the last trade, but yeah, we went on to the 5. We're seeing this channel forming, which in my opinion is bearish. It's trapping in all the buyers. People think it's making higher highs, higher lows on the smaller time frames. Bang! I know I got stopped out here unluckily, but yeah, I've got a bit of confidence in this trade. We're actually trading within not the London session. We're going into the New York session, to be honest, but it's still a high volume session. So yeah, our analysis is based off this left shoulder here forming a right shoulder, creating this channel. We've created a double top on the M15. We've also created a double top here on the M5. So yeah, let's just wait and see, to be honest. But hopefully this one works out, because if this works out, we can make all the money lost on these previous trades, which is what trading is all about. Always having a good risk to reward and having the patience to let things play out. So come on, let's see if we can get a nice push to the downside. Yo, what's up, guys? So there's 2 entries involved in here for the result video. So we took a loss here and we re-entered off this 76.4 rejection down here. hoping for a nice push to the downside, but we've just been stopped out. I don't know if you just think logically here, potentially why we could have lost if we did get this break of structure here, which signaled why we could be looking for shorts. You can see here we did form these mini reversal patterns. Double bottom here, which was a reversal in the trend, but who knows? I don't know, man. I've just been losing quite a lot, so I think I might not trade for a few days and just go into the charts, back test, and just absolutely find out why I'm losing and what I can do to start winning more trades. But yeah, it's definitely not been the start I wanted to the channel, but it's not technically, it's not really about the channel, it's about my progress and things that you guys can learn from as well, is it? Yeah, so but anyway, we've just been stopped out of both of these, so 2 losses. I'll post both losses in the top right corner from my MT4. But yeah, no wins so far, but I think I'll just leave it until next week to start trading again and just literally watch the markets and just go back in time and see what I can do better and analyze these past videos and see what I'm doing wrong.